And distribute the news. Okay, they collect and distribute the news. Fine. Hetvi, what is your idea of news agencies?
News agency will be mostly gathering news and uh, collecting all the news and giving the news to the public.
Okay, yes, absolutely. Disha, how about you?
So I think news agencies, they collect information, then they write new information.
Hmm,
They check
hmm,
in news, and then
hmm.
they distribute to people in the
Hmm.
form of the way they want to do it.
Okay, you said they distributed to people in the form of,
No,
in whatever.
so in the form of radio or television,
Okay.
broadcasting.
Media.
Uh, media.
Hmm. Right, right. Yashashri, could you tell me what is your idea of news agencies? What do you mean by news agencies? What is it that they do? Maybe in 2 lines.
Mm, everybody has already said the
Okay. So
points.
you mean to
So,
say, yeah, more or
yeah.
less. Okay. Could you switch on your video also as well because our classes are being recorded and these are being uploaded on USLM YouTube. So, uh, I've already started recording it. Yeah. Okay. So, yes, nice. Because I'm able to see you people well then. So see, let's uh, talk, practically talk about how the news industry work when it comes to news agencies, right? अब आप जानते हो कि कितने सारे मेन स्ट्रीम न्यूज़पेपर, न्यूज़ टेलीविजन, न्यूज़ ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस है. We have many, right? But it's not visible for all the newspapers, all the TV news channels to have their correspondent or to have their reporters in every part of the country, right? So what these news agencies do, hi Ritik. So what these news agency, hi. So the news agencies, their function is or their job is that they have got several bureaus in smaller parts of the countries and they are stringers or correspondent in every small area, right? And what they do is that they collect news and then they sell the news. So while you say that they compile, they collect news and they give it to other organization, it's basically they sell it to mainstream media, right? For example, many times you must have seen that Indian Express or Times of India, they do not carry their own story. They take some story from PTI and give credit to PTI. So I suggest you people again go through today's newspaper and one of the stories, see, look for how many stories have Times of India carried जहाँ पे उन्होंने PTI का story लिया है, right? Similarly, what happens with news channel, जैसे हम अपने bulletin में लेते हैं, we take a lot of footages, a lot of news videos from ANI, right? So many a times we are not, or a news channel is not able to reach on the spot in correct time, but there'll be ANI correspondent or ANI reporters or stringers who had always covered it already, right? And then they sell it to the news organization. So this is the role of the news agency, right? That they collect news or whatever they do, reporting, they rewrite the entire news process that they do, but they sell it to the other organization. So generally, the working is more B2B, that is business to business kind of selling of news, right? Rather than business to customer. You do not get news directly from INS or from PTI. You get it from them through Times of India or through Indian Express, right? So this is how news agency works. So if somebody asks you, the clear definition, I'll read it out, is a news agency is an organization that gathers news reports and sells them to subscribing news organization. That means these organizations have subscribed to them. Like for example, they've subscribed to IANS, to PTI, right? The news agency is an organization that gathers news report and sell them to subscribing news organizations such as newspapers, magazines, radio, and television broadcasters. A news agency may also be referred to as wire service, news wire, or news service. So just in case if you happen to work in any news organization and you're asked to say that check the wire, right? That means they're asking you to check the news agencies, the news that has come from news agencies. Now we as the final readers have no access to news agency unless and until we subscribe to it, right? जैसे अगर आप IANS खोलेंगे, so you'll only get the lead story and One sec. You'll only get the lead headline and a synopsis of what the story is about, but you won't be able to open the entire story. That means you have to subscribe to IANS, right? So generally, it's media organization who subscribe to these agencies. And why is it that they do it? Because it's not possible for all the news organizations, mainstream news organization, or television news channel to have stringers or correspondent in every small place across the countries. But these news agencies do have, right? So if you count the number of offices that PTI has as compared to Times of India, it will be far more, as compared to the newspaper. Fine, in every small place, and they employ stringers. Now stringers is a term that you people will have to remember. They are very different from correspondent, they are very different from reporter of a newspaper or a television organization. Why? Because they are more like freelancers. They may be working for PTI, they may be working for IANS. Fine, this is how it works. So please know what news agencies, what is the difference between stringers and a correspondent or a reporter with a news or mainstream news organization, right? Now, tell me name of a couple of news agencies that you know. We have discussed it like many times in the class.
Reuters,
Yes, Reuters. Ritik, name of a few news agencies. Hmm? Where do I ask you to take stories from for bulletin time and again? Two key
AN,
sources which I've always wait here.
INS.
IANS,
INS,
yes,
ANI,
IANS, ANI, yes, yes. So see, the top news agencies in India are PTI, IANS, ANI, UNI, and if we talk about international news agencies, it's Reuters, Bloomberg, okay? But the basic ones are PTI, IANS, UNI, okay? ANI as well. Fine, so let's go into the details of each of these news agencies one by one, right? We'll also go to their websites and I'll tell you some key features of these news agencies. Okay, so Press Trust of India. Press Trust of India is almost it kinds of leads the news agency market in India with 90% of its news being sold to 90% of the news in the market, right? So according to PTI, the details that I'm reading, I have taken it from PTI's website itself. It is India's premier news agency. It employs over 400 journalists and 500 stringers. Now you get it? To cover almost every district and small town in India. Collectively, they put out more than 2,000 stories. Now look at the figure. 2,000 stories and 200 photographs per day. 2,000 stories. Now in Times of India, you won't find 2,000 stories, but you surely will be in PTI. Okay? It has diverse subscribers, which include the mainstream media, the specialized presses, research groups, companies, and government and non-governmental organizations, right? These PTA journalists, they're also in the lead capitals and important business administrative centers across the world. Fine. So it kind of this news agency has kind of a global presence because कई बार ऐसा होता है कि Washington का कोई news भी PTI report करता है. That means they have their correspondent over there. Now how to to know this, you have to actually daily scan through newspapers and you have to look at the bylines, and that's why the importance of byline. It's not just that किसने report किया है, कौन journalist ने किया है from that particular newspaper, but which is the news agency which is supplying us the news, right? So many a times, many key reports from places like Washington or many other places across the globe, it comes from PTI, right? Even Times of India cannot get the news which PTI can supply, right? Yes, currently PTI commands 90% of news agency market share in India. Now, if we briefly go into the history, we need not have to actually go into it, but we should know. It was registered in 1947 and started functioning in 1949. Now, it is that old an agency, right? That means down the line, it has really kind of established its credentials, right? Now, PTI also has a Hindi news service. Please know this, it's very important for your general knowledge. Maybe you can ask this question like wherever you go for further entrance or anything. They have a Hindi news service, Bhasha. Let's go to PTI's website. I'll share my screen with you people. Hmm. Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So see, the top panel has all kinds of news here: home, national, international, business, sports, legal. Right? Then there is a news alert as well. I'll also tell you the importance of slugs like news alert, the one that I've just highlighted. It's very important. These kind of slugs are very important, and in agencies, it's furthermore important. I'll tell you why in some time. Now let's go to each of these stories. Let me open the top story. जो top story है, I mean, I could actually open the story, but let me go to the national segment of this website. See, when I go to their national, international business pages, I just get the headlines. I'm not able to open the copy. For me to open these copies, I have to subscribe to PTI. Okay. Similarly for international, okay, right. But whatever is there on the main page, of course, I'm able to open it. Maybe this one, right? So PTI more or less gives access to its readers who haven't subscribed to its stories, but that is not the case generally with other news agencies. See, there is something called login. So when I log in, when I register myself, I get more news, more pictures, more content from this news agencies. Also read PTI's tagline, India's premier news agency. Okay, fine. That was PTI. Let me go to their Bhasha section, which is their Hindi service. See, this is PTI's Hindi news service, which is known as Bhasha. This is one question which is generally asked in competitive exams. I've always seen whenever I've appeared for any exam related to mass communication or journalism, this question has come. What is the Hindi news service of PTI? What is the Hindi news service of UNI? Right? So just for your information, remember this. Let's go to the next news agency, which is INS, and which we have been tracking for all our bulletins. Okay. Now, IANS was established in 1986 by Gopal Raju. So initially, IANS was established to cater to all the news that related to, whatever had been happening in India and diaspora in North America. Okay, later it was initially named as India Abroad News Service, and it was then changed to Indo-Asian News Service, right? Its office is in Noida, and as of now, it's a 24-hour, 24/7 full-fledged wire service. Okay, here let me show you. Yeah, now it is various business vertical. One is INS News Service, INS Multimedia. So INS News Service has both English and Hindi section. INS Multimedia has INS Photos and INS Videos. So maybe for our next bulletin, we can take some videos from INS Video if it allows us, like ANI. Then B2C independent web portal. B2C is business to customer. That means they're providing it to those people who have subscribed or those organizations that are subscribed to it. So it could be it is cricketfanatic.in and bollywoodcountry.in and other 5 popular YouTube channels, right? Now let's look at its client list. It has major print publication, top television news channel, website, mobile operator publication, and XYZ. The editor-in-chief and CEO is Sandeep Bamzai, and there are over 75 reporters across the world, key reporters, senior media personals for IANS. We are talking about senior media personnel. They may have more than that, journalists that we're talking about. Again, let's go to the website. So by now, I'm sure you must be well acquainted with IANS website. Again, they also have subheadings: national, spotlight, international, business, diaspora. ठीक है, इसमें आप ये देखना. Let's go to national news. Now, if you have been tracking news from IANS, what you'll see is that I try to open the first news. See, did you see it's asking for a subscriber login?
Yes.
Can you see this?
Yes.
Do one
Yes.
thing simultaneously. You people also open IANS.
Here it says.
Hello. So did you open IANS?
Yeah. Good.
Yes.
Right. So are you able to open any of the stories?
No.
No.
Right. So this is what happens with the news agency, that they won't allow us access to their content unless and until we are a subscriber. The best that we can extract from them is, like we have been doing since the past few months, is that look at the headline, कौन सा news कब develop हुआ था, and then get a fair idea about the development of the news throughout its span of time, right? Mm, hmm. Okay. One sec. Yeah. So this is with IANS. Now, as I just read it out, they also have a video service which I haven't checked so far. Could you see it anywhere? Special, they have special features, all stories. They have a YouTube channel, but I'm not sure about the. Maybe we can extract video from there. Fine. Now that's with IANS. Let's go to the next one, which is UNI. UNI isn't that popular a news agency as compared to IANS or PTI. UNI is United News of India. It was established in 1961, and its subscriber include 14 newspapers, All India Radio, Doordarshan, Prime Minister Office. So when I say the clients or subscriber for a particular news agency, generally it's not just mainstream newspaper or TV news organization, but in fact, certain ministries, Prime Minister Office, Union Minister Office, central and state government, corporate and commercial media houses. So web-based media. So these are the organization that subscribes to these agencies. In fact, you won't believe that there are certain media organization who fully rely on news agencies rather than having their own reporters. Right. So what they do is that they just invest on news agencies and that's it. They get all the ready-made news. They do not have any reporter. They do not have stringers. They do not have correspondent. Right. So when I talk about subscribers, please keep in mind that it's not subscribers like you and I, but it's more of full-fledged subscribers, maybe media organizations or Prime Minister office or some kind of central or state government. Even they subscribe to know what is the latest news. So as compared to any news media, mainstream news media, agencies are the first one to cover an event or cover news. Why? Because they have stringers placed across even the smaller parts, in the smaller parts of the countries, right? So UNI started in 1961, and in 1982 they had started their Hindi service Univarta. So like for example, for PTI we have Bhasha, for UNI we have Univarta, which started in 1982. They started with their photo service, news photo service in 1987, and they started with their Urdu service in 1992. Um, and like how IANS and PTI, UNI also it caters to newspapers, radio and television stations, government offices. It has its network covers states like Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, now let me take you through this news agency. See, this is how their page looks like. So what I'm showing to you is just a website of these news agencies. अगर आप किसी भी mainstream media organization में work करोगे, and if you get PTI or INS feeds, it won't be in this form certainly. It will be in entirely different form, right? Which can't be open now because we do not have access to it. But the news, the key news that we are seeing here will be part of that their news feed. Let me try to open this one. We're able to open it. Services. Now let's talk about another one. Now this is a multimedia news agency. Why? Because ANI, it's more or less, you can compare it to a television news channel, right? Unlike any other, like PTI, we get all the information online. Of late, they have already also started with, sharing of videos and sharing of news through videos, like how a normal news channel does. But ANI is more or less like how a news channel is, right? So we can say that it is a multimedia news agency. It started in 1971, and its client include television channels to be the first, radio stations, newspaper, website, mobile carriers, both at home and abroad. Fine. Uh, One very interesting thing about ANI is that the agency also provides a range of facilities for foreign and domestic channels to package their reports in India and uplink via satellite. These include provisions of professional crews. So remember that these people also provide services like editing and post-production, access to archive, uplinking facilities, coordinators, producers, and correspondent, right? So this is slightly different from other news agency because, as I said, why is it that I had been asking you people to take things from IANS and ANI so that you can draw clear distinction, right? ANI का आपको काफी सारे footages मिलते हैं. IANS PTI you get more online immediate news in form of written news. Mm, Okay. ANI says that in today's digital era, it is fast emerging as a complete content house, providing text like how INS and PTI do, video and picture content for television, print, mobile, and online, all under one roof. So again, let's go to ANI. Let's look at this. The moment I open their homepage, I have a video in front of me, as in contrast to IANS or PTI, wherein I had news in form of text. Right? Yes, somebody saying something, right? And as I taught you people earlier, you go to the right hand side, you have video section wherein you get all the videos which can be downloaded, right?
Yeah.
So see, you can do a comparative study of PTI and ANI. They're in fact they're pages. See, I have all videos in front of me. Let me compare it with PTI. See, look at this. I have a PTI photo in its home page, right? And then I have news in form of text. But for ANI, I have news in form of videos, right? Fine. Go to the next one. Now, could you tell me a couple of international news agencies?
International.
Yashashvi just said one. One is Reuters, another. Okay, I'm stopping this record.